Hello everyone. A few of you had asked about how to recommend students for a class. So I'm borrowing Rebecca as a model teacher. She is in charge of Math Lab 7, two periods of it, one this one and one this one. So either she will be recommending students to go into Math Lab 8 or not. So to do so, you're just going to click on that classroom, click on scores, and you should see this recommendation tab open. You might want to say Angelina is going to be recommended for Math 8, Lab 8. This one is, this one is, isn't, is, and then update post columns and then post grades again, and that is that. I am going to undo my changes. And if you have any further questions, see me or Don. Thank you.